Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage hair, makeup, and fashion with a little bit of a modern twist. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Hello my lovely dolls. It has been a minute since I've been on YouTube. I just find myself posting more on TikTok. Anyway, I hope you all had a fabulous holiday and a fabulous new year. We went to New York the beginning of December. We've been doing that for the past 4 years. I love New York. I love New Yorkers. I just always have the best time when I'm out there for Christmas. It's just, there's nothing like Christmas in New York. And this time we actually had, it was a total of 18 of us. So Jay and I are always talking about how much we love New York. So my family wanted to experience it for themselves. We were basically like their little tour guides, but there were 18 of us, and you would think there would be like issues getting around and stuff like that, but we did a lot of walking. Everyone had such a great time, and now they know why I love New York so much. So I love that. Now today's video, I am so excited about it, as you can see by the title. I have collaborated with my favorite brand, Rockin Bettie, and we came out with this iconic Sangre del Sol dress. This is a dress inspired by the iconic Marilyn orange dress. I have been obsessed with that dress forever. When I tell you, I took this dress with me to New York, I received so many compliments from people at the bars, out on the street. I mean, they were loving it, and of course, who wouldn't? Like, it's iconic. I honestly felt like a movie star out there. I mean, how can you not wearing this dress? The quality is incredible. I will show you up close the details. It is a heavy dress, and I know the beads right now are white. This is actually the sample dress that I'm wearing, so it is not the finalized version. The finalized version has the beads dyed to match the dress, so it would look a lot more similar to the Marilyn Monroe dress. There's a lot of stretch in this dress, so I would definitely size down. It's just so glam and luxurious. Oh, you're going to love it, and I am so excited to bring this dress to you. Pre-orders are now open. The dress will be arriving around early February. I promise you, you will not be disappointed in this dress. The quality is just chef's kiss. And I was absolutely thrilled to be collabing with this brand because it is a Latin-owned brand. And I came up with the name Sangre del Sol because this dress just reminds me of what the blood of the sun would look like, if that makes sense. So I know this intro has gone on long enough, and now I'm so excited to bring you this Get Ready With Me video featuring the Sangre del Sol dress. Let's get into it.
Okay dolls, so to first get started, I'm taking my 3/4 inch curling iron, and starting from the bottom, I am sectioning out about 1 inch sections, curling that and then pinning them with these duckbill clips. And you want to start closer to the root and then pull the hair in as you're curling. So once I'm done with the bottom section, I section the sides and then do 1 inch sections as well. Once the sides are done, I then start working on the back, moving my way up to the crown. And as I get to my bangs, I like to curl my bangs in the direction that I will have my sort of barrel roll go. And this is how it should look. And here is a view of the back. Moving on to makeup, I'm taking my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and applying that all over my face. Then taking my Fenty Beauty foundation, this is in the shade 210, and applying that all over. I ran out of my concealer, so I'm just only using my Fenty Beauty, and it's full coverage, so it's perfect. Next, I'm taking my Puff Puff Pass Powder by Kim Chi and applying that all over my face. This is the NYX Cosmetics Thick It Stick It Brow in the shade Auburn, And then I'm taking this Wet n Wild micro brow pencil and starting to draw in my eyebrows. Here I'm just shading them in. And now I'm taking the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint by NYX Cosmetics and just applying that over the brow pencil. Here on the inner part of the brow, I'm just sort of blending that out so there isn't a harsh line. Now I'm taking the Jungle Rock palette and mixing these two shades, which is an orange and a red shade, and applying that over the powder that I just placed. Not the powder, the brow pencil. Here I'm taking my Urban Decay primer eyeshadow potion and applying that. This is the Sweet Street Cosmetics LA Lady palette. And I'm taking the shade Boulevard and applying that. And then taking this shade as the base shade and applying that all over my lid. And I'm taking Morena and applying that as well. So I'm just slowly deepening this color. You don't want to go in harsh because it's always harder to kind of brush away the shadow as opposed to building it up. And I'm taking the shade Shine and applying that on my lid space. I'm going back with Morena and just really deepening that that brow crease. Here I'm taking Adriana Nicole Cosmetics and applying this glitter over my lid. Using the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner, I'm just starting to create that wing. I really like this liner and it's only $3. This is the YSL Lash Extreme, sorry. And I'm taking these Wispies by Ardell. Now I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 waterproof glide eyeliner and applying that on my waterline. Then taking a brown shade and just shading out that outer corner. Here I'm taking my YSL bronzer, applying that on my cheeks and my forehead. Here I am taking my Kimchi Powder blush. This is the Lifted Liner by Maybelline. And here is a Vintage Scarlet by Daphne Beauty. This is a beautiful bright red shade. Setting all this in with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And here is the makeup. So once the makeup's done and my hair is set, I'm going to start unpinning everything. And I'm using my Denman brush to sort of tease the hair, this bottom portion. And I get it all teased and then I'm going to roll it under and pin it. And then I'll do the same with the side. This time I'm using my Cricut brush. And same thing, rolling under and pinning it. This is going to be the base for our page boy. Doing that with the back side. And now I'm unpinning this portion and running my fingers through. And once I've done that, I am just using my miso brush to kind of brush everything down up until the point where I get to the teased hair. And then I'm using these duckbill clips to just set everything. And now I'm just going to start brushing that hair around, rolling it over that tease. Once I've gotten the portion how I like it and everything is smooth, I'm taking my Chi Helmet hairspray and spraying that all around and setting it with a blow dryer. Now I'm taking the bang portion and just teasing all of that as well. And then using a soft bristle brush to comb over. You don't want to comb through the tease, but you do want to brush everything on the outside just to clean it up and make it smooth. Once you get everything how you like it, then just set that with some hairspray. Here I removed all the duckbill clips and I'm just brushing through so it takes away that dent. For earrings, these are just some earrings that I caught on Amazon. So that was my cute little promo that me and my friend filmed at the Palace in New York. We wanted to have our own little Marilyn moment, so we recreated that whole scene from Gentlemen Prefer Blondes. But here is the gorgeous, absolutely stunning dress. I mean, just look at it. It is fabulous. You can even see the quality. It is thick. The ruching just really accentuates your curves. I mean, this dress is absolutely perfection, and it just makes your booty look great, your waist looks snatched. I love the scarf as well. Here is a close-up. I'm telling you, this is going to be your favorite dress. And I'm not just saying that because I helped design it with Rockin Bettie. I'm saying it because it is just absolutely stunning. And here I am in my living room. I mean, wow, it looks incredible. I don't even know what to say. It's so breathtaking. You're absolutely going to love it. Make sure to order yours today. And here is a close-up. Just beautiful.
So that is it for today's video, dolls. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I really hope you fell in love with the Sangre del Sol dress as much as I did. Don't forget to check out Rockin Bettie and pre-order yours now. Have your Gentlemen Prefer Blondes moment. And again, I do have some more pieces releasing and I cannot wait for you to see those as well. All right, dolls, I love you and I will see you soon. Bye.